Welcome. In front of me is an LG K52, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device to recovery mode. And to get started, we will need to power off the device. So I'm going to also show you additional thing. So I do have a pattern here, and if you have some kind of lock screen that you don't know the combination to it, I can remove it by performing this reset or factory reset of the device. Now, normally if you try to shut it off by holding the power key, it will tell you that you need to confirm it, right? Unlock the phone to power off. So to, in a way, bypass this, what you want to do is hold volume down and power key. And you're going to hold it till the phone shuts off. Then you will see an LG logo on the screen, at which point you will let go of the power key and then start holding it again. So now let's actually do this. So disregard the screenshot, keep holding. As you can see, there is the countdown till it shuts off. 1, and it's off. Keep holding. There's the LG, let go of the power, start holding it again. And we are now in the factory or recovery mode. Now this one is fairly bare bones. As you can see, we only have the factory data reset here. And all you really need to do here is using volume keys, select yes, so, and then confirm it with the power key. And again, select yes. And this will begin the reset of the device. Now this will take about 2 to 5 minutes, but once it's finished, we'll be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is almost finished. So there we go. That is basically how you would reset your device. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.